First, the top news headlines. 1 commando killed, 5 injured in encounter with suspected Kuki militants. Normalcy return in Manipur, says IPR Minister S. Ranjan. And curfew relaxed in Imphal for 7 hours. Good afternoon, you're watching ELITETV English News and this is HEEYAI LEIMA. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government where face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. And now let's see the news in details. 1 commando personnel and 5 other injured in an encounter with suspected Kuki militants at Thangjing Hill Range under Churachandpur police station. The incident took place around 8 a.m. today. According to a reliable source, after a tip-off, a team of Bishnupur commando rushed to the Thangjing Hill Range, where suspected Kuki militants are holding there. When the commando team reached there, the suspected Kuki militants opened fire. The commando team also retaliated to them. A police commando of Bishnupur detained from Thangja was died on the spot. The 5 others injured commandos were brought to Rasmari city. 2 among 5 were seriously injured. 1 personnel has conducted operations at Rasmari city and taken out 1 bullet. Additional forces have been reinforced at the encounter site. However, number of casualties for the suspected Kuki militants yet to be known. Curfew has been relaxed in Imphal for 5 to 12 noon after the normalcy has returned in Imphal. District Magistrate of Imphal East and West passed the order to relax the curfew from 5 a.m. to 12 noon Thursday, May 12. People rushed to the market and nearby shops to buy essential items during the curfew relax. Information and Public Relations Minister Dr. S. Ranjan has said that normalcy has returned in the state and evacuation of the stranded people will be completed within the next few days. He said this during a press meet held at the office of the Directorate of Information and Public Relations at K. Sampat yesterday. Director of Information and Public Relations H. Balkrishna also attended the press meet. The minister further said around 100 loaded vehicles stranded at Senapati area reached at Imphal safely under adequate security cover. While appealing to the public not to fall to rumors and misinformation, the minister said that with improvement in the situation, the government has extended the curfew time in many districts to allow the public procure essential items. On the other hand, Chief Minister of Manipur visited the relief camps at Kuman Lampak Sport Complex and CRPF Lamphal Complex and interacted with the displaced people while assuring of government's help and assistances for their recovery and rebuilding.
Across Manipur, Masaki, the priority period the car Janami escorts Piluna, CAPF, Amasumia, police key, Mating Lota, the Maway to provide luxury to the Apoy na so haisi diba recovery of arms. Kaya ang kailangan recovery of arms here, arms apoy snatch of arms here. Apoy may ang na ito so yari mo kaya tuna tuwa matamda. When the surrender of you and Amana ito so narang figures surrendered arms to figures legally, which is a positive sign. Which is the 288 arms, approximately 6,700 ammunitions surrendered away. Sign and we expect more. Look up, we can see free movement of stranded people. The Nasiyo approximately 5,000, approximately 5,300 people. Nasiyo. There are other programs like relief camp, minor low in it, you see, so 5,300 people. Evacuate over see, it is a total approximately 30,000 per evacuate.
One Thoiba Ningthosa, who is coming from Mori Kuno and taking shelter at Idle Girls College, Kampat, Imphal East, has said that Kuki militants in the suspension of operation is the root cause of inflaming the recent unwanted violence. He said this during a press meet held at the relief center at the college. He further said all the properties of Meitei community have been totally destroyed in the Mori area. Even PDF of Myanmar reported involved in the violence. He drew the attention of the authority concerned to control and stop the activities of the Kuki militants in the Sioux at the earliest.
Mangaga minute ni fuga mangamuk taba da koigi mafam duda haibadi more duda leminariba Kuki snausing makoi kharana thola kada koigi electric pole na chingba king ba horaga koi mafam marang khangdana koi maruina more bazada leiba maitei sing khaki oiba dukan sing na chingba du thugai yangkhaiba thugai yangkhaiba horki loina adugi makha tabada amambagi khudong chawa mamdar pangairaga dukan pareng sing adu maina tumna thadok pi kibani adugi makha tana muk mathang koigi more da leiriba maitei singi yum khaktang khalakada mafam du leminaiba Kuki singna koigi more da leiriba maitei apumbagi 60% di mai loina thadok piduna aikoi hujik laifam chapam leitadana amadi koigi nupi angang sing gi wakhalda akiba tujungbo poktana mafam asi tana aikoi chelakibani ahan badai koi thogdok tuga mari lenana more police ta more gi praja sing aikoi thomjanduna laira matungda kona more police station gi manga suba sanapal gi headquarter da deport tawra matungda aikoi nahanadu tang nipanda mafam asida aikoi sanapal gi security gi loinana aikoi mafam kharada haijaba tare ahamada aikoi porompat ki koigi Kongba Kongkam Lekaida Unity Club ta mioi khara changjapam lawra matungda khara amana koigi Khumal Lampaki koi mafam duda changjapam lawdan leraga ngarang si akoi Honorable Minister Biswajina sinbiraka da hujik akampa da koi ngarang dagi leijari aikoi punna hujik leijari basi more dagi khaktada mi chahumga kunthama thoimuk lai aduga Churachandpur dagi ichinau singsu aikoina chaurakpa chap chaba masing di hajadragasu chamaga khara henba aikoi punna mafam asida punna chamri ga yankhai muk aikoi kem tawduna leijabani hoi adumaina loina thaba lorakada akoigi mafam du leiba Manipur police Manipur gi police commando amadi Assam rifle chingbodo tholaki hajaba tare.
For ELITETV news channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. One commando killed, 5 injured in encounter with suspected Kuki militants. Normalcy returned in Manipur, says IPR Minister S. Ranjan. And curfew relaxed in Imphal for 7 hours. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching ELITETV English News. Till then, take care, stay safe and have a good day.